iPhones store many photos in the camera roll, making it hard to find specific ones. Moving them to albums helps, but deleting from the camera roll without losing them in the album requires a third-party app. Way 1. Move photos from camera roll to album directly on iPhone. Open Photos, go to Albums, select or create an album. Tap Edit, then Add, Camera Roll, choose Photos and tap Done. Way 2. Move photos from camera roll to album with iPhone Photos Manager. Moving photos to an album on iPhone can be time-consuming, especially for many pictures. Using an iPhone Photos Manager makes it easier to batch move photos and delete the originals from the camera roll. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to the PC and open the program. Select Photos and click Photo Library. Step 2. Click Photo Library and choose New Album to create and name your album. Step 3. Select photos from the camera roll, right-click, choose Add to Album, and select your album.